Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Little Coders. Today we'll be learning Python comparison operators. So we can compare two different variables and decide if they are equal, greater or lesser. So without wasting any more time, let's start. So to start our program, let's create a new file and give it a name. Say comparison operators. .py. So we have created the file. Now what we'll be learning first, and as we know, right, since we have learned the comments part in Python, we are going to use in our most of the future classes to showcase that what we are doing. So using these comments, it will be helpful for us to understand what this program is all about. So here the first comment we are writing is for equal to, and this operator is a comparison operator named equal. So this is called equal operator. Okay, equal operator. Now how to test it in a program? Say define a variable 5 and y say 2 and print x equal to y. So you tell me what it will return. So this is basically compare two different variables values and returns either true or false. So it returns it returns a boolean value, what we have learned already, right? Now since we are comparing 5 with 2 and saying 5 equals 2, which is not true, it will return false. So let's run the program and see it has returned false. So we are seeing, like, how this equal operator works. Now if I change y to 5 and run it again, see, it returns true now. Okay, so the next thing is not equal. This was equal, next thing will be not equal. Not equal, you have to add a not sign. This is a not sign in programming language, so we are saying not equal operator. So this is basically not equal operator but not equal operator. Okay, now here if we say not equal, then it will return false because now x and y are equal, right? So it will return false. Now if we make it to true or change it to true, then what will happen? If I run it, it will return true because x is not equals to y. Okay, next thing is greater operator. Greater operator, this is the sign of greater. This is greater than, basically this is greater than operator. This is greater than operator. Now x greater than y. x greater than y, this is true, right? Because x is 5 and which is greater than 2. So this returns true. Now if I change the values here and saying y greater than x, this will return false. Okay, because y is not greater than x. Next one is less than operator. This is exactly opposite to the greater than operator. Less than operator, and we can change it like this. Y is okay, the symbol will be like this. This will be like this. Y is less than x, which is true, and now this will return true because y is less than x. So this is less than operator. This is greater than operator, and this is less than operator. Now the next one will be greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Greater than. So after greater than symbol, we have to add a equal to symbol. Greater than or equal to operator. Okay. So x, y greater than equal to y. Let's see what is the result. You see, true. So x is either greater than y or equal to y. So x is obviously greater than y, and then it is returning true. And then the last one we will be learning is less than or equal to. It's exactly opposite to greater than equal to. Only this thing is symbol will be changed. Symbol will get changed. Less than or equal to, this will be less than or equal to operator, and if I changed it, this will return false because neither x is less than or equal to y, so this will return false. But if I change it to y and then this one to x, this will become true. Say true. So this is how we can use these comparison operators. So there will be situations where we have to compare different values and decide what to do based on those comparison. Then we will be using these operators. Okay. Okay. So this is it for today's class. We'll be back with a new lesson, which will be Python logical operators in our next class. So till then, goodbye and stay safe. Thank you.